Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link a Facebook group to a Facebook page. For us to be able to begin, just go ahead and log in onto your Facebook account first that has access to your Facebook page. Then, right after, once you've logged in, let's switch onto our Facebook page. Click onto the top right corner of the screen and then click onto your page. If you're not seeing your page in there, click on See All Profiles to view all the pages that you have onto your account and click onto the right page. So you'll have your account switched for that. Then right after, to link a Facebook group to a Facebook page. So before, you have the option to do that onto your profile. So let's click onto your profile here. And here on more, if you click on more here, there is groups. So if you click on groups, this is where you should be able to show all of your groups. So since I don't have groups yet, so there are no groups showing, but this is where you could go ahead and link a Facebook group before. So let's try to join a group first. Let's try to see if we could join over there. So I have here a group from a Facebook page. Let's click onto that to join it. So let's click on join group. And as you can see, we have joined this sample group already. So let's head back onto your profile. Click onto your profile here onto the top right corner and click again on it. So click on more and click on groups. So since the groups is not showing in here and we have joined the group already earlier, let's just go ahead and head back onto our main profile. So to head back onto our main account, let's click back again here onto the top right corner of the screen and let's switch onto our main account. So right after that, since that is our own group, we're gonna head here under groups. So the main owner of the page in here can go ahead and link the Facebook group to your Facebook page. So since we've joined this using our Facebook page, let's click onto the group here and we should be able to see ourselves or our Facebook page as a member in here. Now, as you can see, we have a new participant in here and we're gonna head here on overview. So here on overview, you should be able to see in here the group status and many more. So we should be able to see also the participants here. So let's click onto that and let's approve in here the Facebook page request. So as you can see, it has been approved already. Now to link this Facebook page to the Facebook group, you're just gonna go ahead and give it an admin access. So let's head here on community home and then click onto people in here. So you should be able to see the page here. Just find that, click onto the three dots onto the side of it, and then just invite this as an admin. So if our page accepts the invite, then we would be able to add or remove admins, edit group settings, and many more. So we're just gonna send the invite, and right after, let's head back onto our page and accept that. So click here onto the top right corner, switch back to your page, and just accept the invite. From there, you should be able to link your Facebook group to your Facebook page. And we can see that invite here onto the notification. Let's just go ahead and accept that. So right after that, you're already an admin to the group and you have successfully linked already your Facebook group to your Facebook page. And that is just how you could do it. And if you think that this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.